بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected parents and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope आप सब खैरियत से होंगे. Dear students, क्या आपने मैथ्स की वीडियोस देखी और आपने अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट किया तो उसको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में शेयर करें. आओ बच्चों अपनी क्लास शुरू करते हैं. दिस इज़ योर मैथ्स क्लास. Now we will read numbers poem. 1, 2, how are you? 3, 4, wash the floor. 5, 6, touch your lips. 7, 8, open the gate. 9, 10, tiger in the den. Dear students, today our topic is number 3. Today I will clear the concept of 4. Which number? 4. Yes. Today you will learn about number 4. Yes. Okay students, look at here. This is the flashcard of 4. This is the flashcard of 4. Okay students, now you will repeat after me. 4, 4, 4. Which number is this? 4. Which number is this? 4. Very good. Okay student, look at here. Wow, what are these? These are balls. These are balls. Okay student, can you count? How many are these? Yes. Okay student, आप मेरे साथ काउंट करें. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are these? 4. Yes, very good. Look at students, this is number 4 and these are 4 balls. These are 4 balls. How many balls are there? 4. How many balls are there? 4. Okay students, look at here. What are these? Yes, tell me. Yes, you. How many are these? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, these are 4 poster pants. How many poster pants are there? Yes, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, student, look at here. Which number is this? 4. Which number is this? 4. This is 4. And how many poster pants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. बिल्कुल ठीक. यहाँ पे हमारे साथ 4 पोस्टर पैंट्स है और ये कौन सा नंबर है? 4. बिल्कुल सही. Okay student, look at here. What is this? Yes, very good. These are crayons. These are crayons. Can you count with me? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, very good. There is 4 crayons. There is 4 crayons. This is 4 and there is 4 crayons. बच्चों अभी हम 4 के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. ठीक है, कौन से नंबर के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं? Okay students, look at here. What are these? Yes, very good. These are bangles. These are bangles. And which number is this? 4. Okay बच्चों, अब बताएं अभी हम कौन से नंबर के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं? 4. Repeat with me. 4. Again 4. Okay, and how many bangles are there? Okay student, tell me. Can you count with me? Yes. 1, 2, 3, Four. How many bangles are there? Four. How many bangles are there? Four. This is four, and these are four bangles, and these are four bangles. Okay, students, look at here. What are these? Yes, these are sharpeners. These are sharpeners. And which number is this? Four. Yes, tell me again. Four. And how many sharpeners are there? Can you count? Yes. One, two, three, four. Yes, very good. How many sharpeners are there? Four. This is four, and there is four sharpeners. I will repeat for you again. Yes, this is four, and these are four sharpeners. मुहतरम वालिदैन अपने बच्चों के साथ बैठकर मुख्तलिफ़ तरीक़ों से फ़ोर की पहचान करवाएं, अपने बच्चों को टाइम दें। उम्मीद करती हूँ आज की ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी। प्यारे बच्चों, अपना होमवर्क करके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में शेयर करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما